we're going today. Yeah, today is our third competition. Wabanzi is going to Chicagoland in Arlington Heights. So we just loaded the truck and we're getting on the buses right now. When Naperville North has coach buses and then we're stuck here with school buses.
Clutch of responders. We're gonna lose because you're vlogging, by the way.
Well,
just saying.
You're not in solo cup,
Any
though.
chance that we've had for winning today, we're now gonna lose. Because of you.
We're here. Hey, don't you feel the rush? Oh, 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 oh. Hey. Mama, shake it up, but you gotta lose. No, I gotta do it. Gotta turn the world into. This is definitely the worst part of my day. I hate unpacking with every fiber of my being.
I'd just like to say that I'm quite frustrated with the fact that Mr. Durbin really thinks that the whole world just revolves around him, that our pianos are magically just gonna have chords in them, that the combo's just gonna know what to do when he says, all right, stop, and they're just gonna play like a nice chord and everything's gonna end, that he can just come to where we do. I'm just so beyond myself. So beyond myself.
We used to win first place.
Oh, here he goes.
Oh, what up? Hey, you already know. We out here at the sound check.
Put that down. Put that down.
Hey.
Give it back. That's not yours.
Notice, we don't have a stage crew. Okay, Girls in Heels is about to perform. We just set up for them. This is the wonderful Melanie Voss from Naperville North. She's amazing. And can't wait to watch Girls in Heels. Oh, you got it! We're waiting for solo comp to start.
So, Benny told us to go down an hour early, so we did.
Oh.
We stopped getting ready. Lindsay was in the middle of her poop. We had to stop. Went down to solo comp.
I have blood on my head, and I'm about to go on stage.
Why is blood on your head?
Because I put it there.
Something that happened was that we took the spoken word out of our show, and that's because of me. And so if we win, you're welcome. Sound check. Thank you.
Amazing.
So this is kind of a secret. Okay, so the kind of secret is that Mr. Durbin never told the combo the changes that we made when we're like stopping in between songs. And so if we do lose, it's because Mr. Durbin is setting us up to fail because he is mad that we took the spoken word out, so he's mad about that, and so he didn't tell combo about our changes, so we lose because of them.
It's all out of
Wait,
spite.
can we show something? So, Jack is wearing our buttons.
Yes. Thank you.
He's been on it. Today, Teddy asked me if I'm wearing leggings. Do these look like leggings?
Yes.
Just a little bit.
Well, they're khakis.
Hi, Matthew's aunt. Hi. No. We're waiting right now. Today we have 8 solos going, which is way more than usual because this year we had a competition canceled, which was Troy. So those 4 soloists got moved to this competition. So we have 4 from Soundcheck and 4 from Girls in Heels that are going. We're getting ready to go into prelims. We just came out of prelims. We all feel so good about it. We made so many changes that we really
I never made it in the vlog ever last year.
I don't think I made it either.
Disappointed, so this is my feature. Quentin, if you can delete this.
I will not.
Okay, I just.
And I see my
I just like to
buttons.
say,
Oh, look at this. True show choir mom.
That's my heart.
that's rude.
Olivia, you're the top, on top of everyone else. Relax.
Okay, we're gonna go watch our host group, John Hersey, and then it's prelims awards.
Sound tech. The best sound tech in the land. Find me, Angelina. Okay, so I stole Quentin's vlogging device, and I'm just chilling. I had to drop something off of the room. 5, 6, 7, 8. He is a fiend. He brought his jewel to the competition.
Come on, cut this all out.
Sorry.
Okay, we won Best Stage Crew, but we are performing in Finals 6th. And yes, and Rami Nagapudi won for, yes, she was the best girl in solo comp. So we're going to go watch her and then eat dinner and then get ready, and it's gonna be great. I'm just glad that we have lots of time to sort of relax and get our energy together, because that doesn't always happen.
Wait,
the butter off on my plate.
We just wanted bread, but I thought I was gonna have to pay for it, and then she said it was
What, like
free.
50 cents per slice?
Yeah.
Gucci gang.
No, I will break
On our way to finals.
That's really attractive, Kevin. Nice job.
I'm basically
Daily hype beast this year, you know.
No, I'm turning. Okay, we're finally getting ready for our finals performance. We're about to go down to warm-ups in a couple minutes, and then hopefully someone is going to film our performance. And then hopefully I'll see you at awards.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sound Check.
Hey, we're back on the vlog with Quentin Israel and co-starring Teddy Steinenberg. It's getting crazy. I don't know if we're gonna win. I don't know if we're gonna lose. It's not a competition. I don't really care. There's Bobby. Look, he needs an ambulam. Ah, his knee. Oh no.
Outstanding choreography goes to Weaker One. Second runner-up goes to Wabanzi High School.
Tell me why this man's yelling at us. Not gonna lie.
I don't know.
Austin rant time. So it's tired. It's tired. I'm tired. We're all tired. You know what? People are. People are upset. You know what? I'm just living life.
I have never found so much confusion.
I know.
I am confused.
Bro, that's what I thought too. Hey, you know, I know it's your brother.
Wait. This is the girl. There's just all sorts of what just happened.
As you can see, I'm wearing sunglasses at night.
I'm emo as fuck right now.
It is
Durbin says
12:09.
one more rude thing to me, I'm gonna punch him in the face.
I'm about to punch every fucking person.
Why is every
We're jumping the trenches.
Why is every competition?
But we won Best Stage Crew at Mount Zion. Hilarious.
Hi. We're gonna win.